What's up guys, it's Game Mochi here, back with another video. Today we're showcasing set 75881 right here. 366 pieces, 7 to 14 and up. 7 and 14 up. They're actually based on real cars. So here it is. Let me just put the spoiler. This is that car. And then this one is that car. And if you can just get a good look at these cars. They're actually pretty cool. So that's that.
Look at all the angles.
Oh yeah, look at some good angles. Is the side, back with the spoiler, powered by EcoBoost. And it's, these are actually Ford cars. These are actually a real type of car. And there's that one.
There's the back of that one.
Yeah. So, and this one's number 2. This is number 66. And I know I messed up on the rims. This one's supposed to be there, and that one's supposed to be there, but it doesn't matter. Here is the referee. This guy looks pretty cool. Here's his face, if you can see. Printing on the back and the front just says Ford. Here is the red and blue Ford car driver. This car driver. Here is he? It just says
this car driver.
Yeah, that guy. It just says Ford on the front. He's just wearing some sunglasses, and that's that. Now this is this car driver. So
wait, show the driver.
Yeah, so here's his face. He has like a little scratch on his face, if you can see that right there. I don't know if that camera will pick up, but he has a little scratch on his face, and it just has a little bit of printing. It's just that. And it just says Ford on the back. And we are actually doing a giveaway. And to be entered in the giveaway, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and comment down below. I subscribed, and I will send a video to you on what the card is. So hope you guys like this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.